Hi, this is Stephen, and today we're going to look at different ways the sound is spelled. This can be confusing to non-native speakers because of so many different spellings for a single sound. Er, er, er. This is the sound that you make with your mouth in neutral position and your lips slightly rounded. Er, er, er. And make sure when you pronounce this sound, er, er, that your tongue remains in the middle of your mouth and doesn't touch anywhere inside your mouth. So there are different ways that you can spell the sound in English. It can be spelled E-A-R, for example, in the word earth. It can be spelled I-R, for example, in the word birth. In words that start with W, it can be spelled O-R, as in worth. It can also be spelled U-R in words like curtain, and it can be spelled E-R in words like perfect. Perfect. So that's 5 different spellings for the same sound. Let's practice pronouncing these words, remembering to keep your lips in a slightly rounded position when you're saying them. Bird, dirt, hurt, shirt, birthday, earth, learn, sir, church, earl, lurk, splurge, curd, fur, occur, stir, curl, firm, pearl, turkey, curse, fur, perk, turn, curt, herd, purr, word, curtain, hurl, reword, work. Now let's practice sentences that have all the different spellings of the sound. The lurking bird heard the cat purr. The lurking bird heard the cat purr. Earl works at the same firm as Shirley and Pearl. Earl works at the same firm as Shirley and Pearl. The furs weren't dirty on Thursday. The furs weren't dirty on Thursday. The girl's parents took her to church on her 3rd birthday. The girl's parents took her to church on her 3rd birthday. Remembering how to pronounce the sound of and the different ways that we spell the sound is an important step in learning how to pronounce it right.